Can I ask you a quick question? If someone told you that eating garlic every morning could lower your blood pressure, would you believe them? Honestly, a lot of people do. In fact, I've heard people say, why should I keep taking my blood pressure medicine when I have garlic at home? But is that really true? Or could believing that put your health at risk? Stay with me, because before this meal is ready, we're going to uncover the real truth together. And I promise you, what you'll learn today could change the way you think about garlic forever. Before we get started, I want to hear from you. Do you eat garlic every day? Or do you only use it when you're cooking? Tell me in the comments. I always enjoy reading your thoughts, and your experience might even help someone else. Welcome to Health Truths Daily. This is where we cook simple, delicious meals while separating health myths from real evidence-based facts. No fear, no miracle cures. Just practical health information you can actually use. Alright, let's start cooking. Today I'm using fresh garlic, onions, tomatoes, colorful bell peppers, spinach, a little olive oil, and grilled fish. Now, watch this. The moment I crush this garlic, something interesting starts to happen. Most people have no idea about it, and it's one of the reasons garlic has become so popular around the world. But here's what many people don't ask. Is that enough to lower high blood pressure? Or is there another part of the story that almost nobody talks about? Don't skip this next part, because I'm about to explain what research has found. And it's probably not what you've heard on social media. We're also going to answer 3 important questions. Can garlic really help with blood pressure? Is it better to eat it raw or cooked? And what's the biggest mistake people make that health professionals keep warning about? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what garlic can do, what it can't do, and how to include it in a healthy lifestyle without putting yourself at unnecessary risk. So let's get this meal on the stove, and let's uncover today's health truth together. So let's investigate this together. Have you ever noticed that? Whenever someone talks about natural remedies for high blood pressure, garlic is almost always at the top of the list. But here's something I want you to think about. If garlic were a complete cure for high blood pressure, why are so many people who eat garlic still living with hypertension? That's the question we need to answer. As these vegetables cook, look at all these beautiful colors. We've got tomatoes, spinach, bell peppers, onions, and garlic. This is a reminder that good health isn't built around one magical food. It's built by the choices we make every day. Now let's talk about what researchers have found. Some studies suggest that garlic supplements may help lower blood pressure a little in some people, especially those who already have high blood pressure. That's encouraging, but it's only part of the story. A small benefit doesn't mean it's a cure, and that's where many people get confused. Let me ask you something. If your blood pressure was very high today, would you trust one ingredient in your kitchen to do all the work? Probably not. And that's exactly why health professionals encourage a complete approach. Eating well, managing stress, and taking prescribed medication when it's needed. Staying active, reducing excess salt. Now here's something really important. Please don't misunderstand what I'm saying. I'm not saying garlic is bad. Garlic is a healthy ingredient that can add flavor to your meals and be part of a balanced diet. What I'm saying is that no single food should replace proper medical care. That's the real health truth. And don't go anywhere, because in the next part, we're answering one of the biggest questions people ask the time. Should you eat garlic raw or cooked? The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. I'll also share the one mistake that could put some people at risk if they're using garlic the wrong way. So stay with me, because we're just getting to the most important part of today's investigation. So we've reached the moment we've all been waiting for. After everything we've talked about today, there's still one question that almost everyone asks. Should you eat garlic raw or cooked? The honest answer is there isn't one perfect answer for everyone. When fresh garlic is crushed or chopped, a natural compound called allicin begins to form. That's one reason garlic has become so popular in conversations about heart health. But here's something I really want you to remember. Garlic is a healthy food, but it isn't a miracle cure. Sometimes social. Media makes it sound like one ingredient can solve every health problem. If only it were that simple. Real health doesn't work that way. Let me ask you something. If one clove of garlic could completely control high blood pressure, would hospitals still be treating millions of people for hypertension every year? Probably not. That's why it's so important to separate hope from evidence. Some research suggests garlic supplements may help lower blood pressure a little in some people with hypertension. That's encouraging, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. The strongest protection for your heart comes from combining healthy habits. That means eating balanced meals, staying physically active, sleeping well, managing stress, limiting excess salt, avoiding smoking, and following the treatment plan recommended by your healthcare professional if you have high blood pressure. Now, I want to talk about one mistake that worries me. I've heard people say, I'm eating garlic now, so I don't need my blood pressure medicine anymore. Please don't make that decision without speaking to your healthcare provider. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it can damage your heart, brain, kidneys, and blood vessels even when you feel perfectly fine. That's why regular blood pressure checks are so important. Now, here's another fact that many people don't know. Garlic supplements are not the right choice for everyone. If you're taking blood-thinning medication, or if you're preparing for surgery, garlic supplements may increase the risk of bleeding. That's one more reason why it's always wise to ask your healthcare provider before starting any supplement. So, what's today's health truth? Can garlic be part of a heart-healthy lifestyle? Yes. Can it make healthy meals more delicious? Absolutely. Can it replace prescribed medication or healthy daily habits? No. And that's the biggest takeaway from today's episode. No single food can do the work of an overall healthy lifestyle. Every meal you prepare, every walk you take, every good night's sleep, every time you choose less salt and more vegetables, every time you follow your treatment plan. Those small choices add up over time. That's how we protect our hearts. That's how we protect our families. And that's why I created Health Truths Daily. I want this to be a place where we learn together, cook together, and make better health decisions together. Not through fear, not through myths, but through reliable information explained in a simple way. Now, I'd really love to hear from you. Have you ever tried garlic for your health? Did someone recommend it to you? What was your experience? Share it in the comments below, because your story might encourage someone else to ask the right questions and seek the right advice. And if today's episode helped you understand this topic a little better, please take a second to like this video. Share it with someone you care about. You never know who might need this information today. And if you're new to the channel, I'd love to welcome you to the Health Truths Daily family. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next health investigation. In our next episode, we're looking at another popular health claim that millions of people believe. You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep choosing healthy habits, keep asking questions, and keep learning. Because every healthy choice you make today is an investment in a healthier tomorrow. Thank you so much for cooking with me. I'll see you in the next episode of Health Truths Daily.
Make sure to subscribe to Health Truths Daily and click that like. Make sure to subscribe to Health Truths Daily and click that like.